I know, I'm stupid. Alright, hey guys, so I just put a stick of butter. This is butter, right? And I put that inside the microwave. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Alright, so what happened was I was going to heat it up because I was putting jelly and butter sandwich things. So I was going to make those, and I came up and the microwave, it just freaking turned off, turned back on, turned off, turned back on, and then I looked over to it because it was like sparking and all that stuff. So I turned around like this, and there it is sitting there. It's on fire. Alright? It's on fire. And what I do, I don't just open it. I run over here, and I turn the off button, and then I open it. And I go, and then I just threw it away. Well, it was still on fire when I did that, so I just grabbed it in my hand. I just grabbed it, and I went. So, yeah. I'm freaking scared as crap now. I've been shaking here for like 5 minutes now. Man, that's the scariest thing ever. If that thing actually caught on fire, I would have probably just whacked it with that. I would have just grabbed this whole thing and tried to stomp it out like that. So just wake up my mom and sister and be like, we gotta go. But yeah, that freaking scared me. But yeah, I tried to leave my phone and my Xbox overnight so it would update. It turned off in the middle of the night, so it doesn't work. So that kind of sucks. Man, that scared the crap out of me. I saw my life flash before my eyes. That's real life action. Alright, bye guys.